Are you looking forward to rock an elegant hairstyle? Then look no further. This half up, half down is the best for you to do right now because you can rock it to anywhere. Yeah, before I go further, hello everyone, welcome to my channel where we post beautiful hairstyle that you can rock on any occasions. You're looking for any hairstyle to rock, look no further. Ivy Hair Studio got you covered. This beautiful hairstyle are hairstyles you can rock to anywhere, wedding, birthday party, any occasion at all. You can rock this elegant hairstyle and you can pack it anyhow you want it. Look no further, Ivy Hair Studio got you covered. So if you're here and you've not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe so that you will be notified anytime we drop beautiful, gorgeous and nice hairstyles here. Thank you. I love you.